I just changed the cabin air filter. So there's a cover right here. There's the little thing that you twist. You gotta use some force to unlock it, and it slides in. Then there's this guy right here, and this is a vent. This slots in here. So it slots in there. To take it out, there's a clip right there. So you just get yourself a flathead, and then you pry it up, and then you can move the whole thing to the left, and then you kind of shimmy it down. It's kind of in an awkward place. So you just shimmy it out, don't just kind of force it out and start tugging on it. Once you get this clip up, you're good. The clip didn't want to come all the way out, and I didn't need to take it all the way out, so I didn't want to, add the extra risk of breaking it since it's kind of still in there. Right, but it came out just enough. All right, then I want to start pulling on the cabin air filter. There's this little tab that I was pulling on right here. This is all I saw initially, so I was like, okay, it's pretty clean. You must have changed it. But then I couldn't take it out anymore because it was hitting this electrical connector or holder. This slots into these brackets right there. It's cut down, so you just push the whole thing up, and there's two of them. The cabin air filter, you have to take the glove box and these two vents out, and then you have to remove this wiring bracket and this vent, this inductor right here. I wasn't really in a rush to put the seat in because I have more workspace to fit in here. This is, I think, the best one on FCP Euro. They had like the paper one. This is the charcoal one. Okay, this is actually dirty. And I was able to flip it over to the other side. It's like, oh my God, this is very dirty. I have all types of bugs and like dust, leaves, sticks, cancer, all this nastiness. So I have this one, same tab, same everything. Actually, I'm gonna hook up the card and run the vent and see if anything comes out of the vent in there. I'll put a little bore scope to see like if there was any blockage or anything, because I know that the car was sitting for quite a large number of years. This and put that there. And the small one goes on here. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, smooth. All right, by the grace of God, I got it in. Found a video online, and I just did it in reverse on how he took it out. So just imagine that this is the face of this, all right? This is the whole thing. Have it in here. So you work it in this way, and you get this side tucked all the way almost in here, but don't tuck it in all the way because it'll bind up when you try to flip it up, or you know, do any type of flipping. And then you work this other side in, and then you have this in there, right? And then you tilt the whole thing back kind of like this, and then you plug the blue wire in, or the manual wire control. Be careful when you take this on to break these two top clips. They're pretty important. So I broke one of mine. Unfortunate. And then there's like three or four little clips on the bottom. You break one, you're good. That was a good snap. All right. So I had these. Yes. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. Extra bright. Supposed to be a LED here. No.